a.m. I'm whispering because the girls are asleep, but I'm about to make them some breakfast, clean up the kitchen a little bit, and then start getting ready for work. But yeah, good morning. So it is 6:10, and now I gotta clean that spot because I have OCD. But yeah, kitchen's clean. I was gonna make them breakfast. I said I was gonna make them breakfast. However, it is my early morning, so I have to be to work at 7:25. So I'm actually about to wake them up and get them ready. Hi everybody, I know I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. It's giving abandonment issues. My face looks so bad. I'm about to give myself a facial. But we had a little hiccup with our upload last week. Some stuff went down, so I have to I'm gonna finish editing that video and try to get that out today, but that's neither here or there. It is Thursday. I done worked all week. It's Thursday. I had a client today. And now we're about to get in school mode. I gotta go run to my baby's school really quickly and pick up a pre-K packet, get that filled out, and then I'm gonna start doing my assignments for the week. So we made it to the suite. I had to take my makeup off because I dropped something and it got on my face, and I had to buy my face because he said it was poisonous and it was gonna make me die. So yeah, we got the suite, we got the desk. I had to clean out in here. It's still a bunch of stuff in here, but I had to make way so I could put the desk right here. And then hopefully it fits. It looks like it's a little long. So I'm gonna try to push this desk in there and see if it fits. Why, the air not coming back on?
It's coming back on. I'm just gonna open it up and clean it out.
It fit in there, guys. So we got the desk. Yeah, you'll get it all cute and stuff set up. So now that I have that set up, I'll have me like a little workstation where I can like ship orders and package and do business stuff in the suites, in my office. And this is my suite. I'm gonna do a suite tour once I get everything up in here like that I need, but for the most part, it's doing what it's doing. It's doing what it's supposed to do for now, so that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back in a second. So I'm back in the house. I'm back in the house. I'm warming up some food for lunch, and then I'm gonna eat. I got me a vanilla chai. I got some vanilla chai in here. He's actually about to taking a nap. He said he's sleepy. I was supposed to be working today, so I don't know what he got going on, but we gotta get it together.
But she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time?
You ready to meet your teacher?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah. I'm ready to meet my teacher. Rocky.
On the sidewalk, Jaya.
Okay.
What you excited for?
To see my teacher.
Okay. So you can pick another one. It's over. No, that's that's somebody else's bag, Mama. You gotta get one from the table. You want the orange one? Okay, come on. Look at house. Zoe, get out my shirt. You're gonna be in school one day. It's not today. Go, go, go. There go your teacher. Ooh. That was exciting. Were you excited to see your teacher?
Mama.
Yes, I can give you that.
No, my candy.
So we made it back in the house from open house. She was so excited, as y'all could see. I didn't really film too much in the classroom because I didn't want it to be awkward. And then it's a classroom, it's kids, so. Yeah, but we back in the house. We got our Chinese food and we're about to eat dinner and get ready for bed. Zoe, stop pulling on my thing. As y'all can see, I still have not taken my hair out. This boy left the fan on yesterday. He's so funny. But yeah, as y'all can see, I still have not taken my hair out. Don't judge me. I'm gonna do it today, I promise. I'm gonna do it today. I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. Literally. All right, I finished. Finished her up. I am about to go back out and do what I was doing. I had assignments that was due at midnight and I finished them. And then I got bombarded. My mama and my sister over here. Drunk as a skunks. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm at the suite. I got a client coming in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna set up for the client, and then I'm gonna, actually I have 2 clients today. I'm gonna set up for the client, and then I'm gonna straighten up in here because it looks a hot mess.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
6 hours later, and I'm finished. And I was about to sit in here and clean up. I mean, I've already cleaned up like the lashes and stuff, but I am tired, and I gotta go drop my brother off, and I'm gonna come up here in the morning because I do my mama lashes, so I'm gonna come up here tomorrow and like really deep clean. But y'all, I am tired, like, as heck. So, yeah, I ain't doing nothing. I'm about to just eat how it is. Blow out my candle. And I'll be back tomorrow. Because, let me do something to my hair. Good morning. It's September 1st. Hold on. And it's Zaya's first unofficial day of pre-K. She really starts on the 5th, but today is like her trial run day, so I get to drop her off and everything. I let her wear new clothes, but I didn't put on her some new shoes because, well, they are new, but she's worn them before, but I didn't let her get like, you know, full jiggy because, yeah, she did her hair done for actual school next week, but I'm gonna show you what she got on today. She looks very cute, and she wanted to wear that backpack that she got from open house. So yeah, she goes. Yes, my girl look good.
Can I get it?
My girl looks so cute for her first day. Are you excited? You ready to meet your teacher and your friends? You gonna have a good day? Have fun. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Listen to your teacher.
Okay.
Okay?
Why would I not listen to my teacher?
Because sometimes you don't listen to mommy.
Okay.
But you need to listen to your teacher all the time. You need to listen to mommy too, but you really need to listen to your teacher, okay? And then you tell me if anybody be mean to you, okay? When I pick you up from school, I want you to tell me about all about your first day, okay?
That's it.
All right, so we about to take her to school. I got her changing clothes. Her Ziploc bag thing is in the car, I believe. But yeah, anything you want to say to the people before you go to school? What you want to tell them?
I love you.
You love me?
And them.
And the people. Oh, okay. You love the people.
No, I love you and the people.
Okay. You want to call Daddy before you go to school? I got to go to Old Navy with Zaya's dad so that we can get her some more stuff for school. So he told me to meet him now, and if you know him like I know him, when he said meet him now, that means meet him now, because I don't know when he gonna be able to meet me again. So I'm not trying to miss out on that opportunity. Free dance for my baby? Sure. So me and Zoe are on the way to Old Navy to meet him, and then I'm gonna go pick Zaya up from school. We made it, and y'all, this person beside me has a cow print. What? This person beside me has a cow print steering wheel, and if you know me, you know I love me some cow print steering wheel cover. I'm gonna get me one too. Yeah, and I'm gonna get my car anyway. Just kidding. But anyways, we here. We about to walk in. Say hi. What's on your face? Was you crying? You was crying. You a crybaby. Not too much on the grays either. Not too much on the grays. I know I need to do my hair. I need to do something to my hair. But I told y'all. I ain't tell y'all. But I'm about to put a perm in it. I'm about to put a perm in it, press it out, and then cut me a little bit busy bob. And I might put some little clip-ins in it, because you know my hair a little thin. But that's the plan. I don't know when I'm gonna do that though. Mama, what's wrong, Shandy Boy? You're so cute. At school?
Yes.
You did? You gotta say hi to the camera.
Yeah.
Tell the camera how was your day at school. You had a good day? Good. Yes. So we got Zai from school. We're gonna go get some boba tea. Okay, so we picked Zaya up from school. How was your day?
Good.
Go get some boba, then we're gonna get some food. Zoe sleep. So I gotta wake her up.
No.
Are you ready? Excited? I never had boba before. This is my first time ever having boba, so we're gonna see how this goes.
Well, our whole family's
The birthday girl. The
Mommy, I'm the
girl?
birthday. I'm the birthday girl.
No, you're the school girl. The school girl wants boba, so we're gonna get boba.
So I'm the boba girl.
Yeah, she's the boba girl. Master's Tea, Cafe, and Bites.
So we're gonna get some boba today. Wait, I already told you to get boba. Anyway, we're gonna get boba today. Mommy, you messed up. We're gonna get some boba today. Anyways, I just told you that, so yeah, we're gonna get some boba today. Anyway, so I'm the boba girl, Mommy's the boba girl, and Zoe's the boba girl. So we're gonna get some boba.
Can you show them the restaurant? Wait, look.
Just how the restaurant looks. I'm about to get the purple boba.
Do not have Apple Pay.
No.
Let's go get our card out the car. Come on. Boba good. I've never had it before.
I feel like it's 50.
I'm making it now. This is making dinner, so no way.
Okay. Well, yeah, you can
No.
just do whatever.
No.
Whatever you think. And do it in a regular size
No.
for mine. And then for her, she wants the purple one. Whatever that is.
No. No way.
Yeah.
No way. No way.
You want to try boba? He's going to give us a sample. To see if we like the boba.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, taste it first.
It's sweet.
You like it?
Yeah, eat it. Try one.
Okay.
It tastes like a gummy.
Let's see.
Don't eat all my free samples. Thank you.
style. Okay, go ahead.
Mom.
Now taste it.
I'm scared.
You scared? She hates it. Is it good? You scared? Is it good?
You taste it.
Okay.
Yeah.
She wants me to taste hers. I mean, it tastes good. It's mine. It's good. It tastes like sweet tea and caramel.
Ew.
You don't like mine?
Ew.
This is a real mom moment. Y'all see her mouth moving? She's eating that chalk. Out of them people's establishment because Zoe was over here crying. Zaya was over there trying to write on the chalkboard. Then she started writing on the wall. Like, can't take kids nowhere. Nowhere. Can't take them nowhere. So 1 to 10, what do you rate your bubba? Your boba?
0. This is 0.
Mine was okay. I don't think it's nasty. The tea itself is good. The boba can be overwhelming. The caramel, I love caramel. It had a lot of caramel in it. Yeah, I got my hair done. And it's cut and it's cute.
Mommy, it's the car cutter.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. If y'all hear my wheels whirling, it's because we was supposed to be at a birthday party early.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
I didn't know my hair was gonna take that long, but she really ate, so I ain't even tripping. So yeah, we on the way to the birthday party right now, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get there.
We're gonna sing happy birthday.
Hold on, wait, let's get drama queen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Randy. Happy birthday to you.
We leaving the party. Mama, you had fun at the party? We did. We had fun. We leaving. We going home. We better call it a night. Because I got to work at 8:25. So, yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Mom.